In today's demo, we will be seeing how to restore individual application services using AppViewX ADC+. The Restore option allows users to do two things. They can either do complete device-level restoration, which is nothing but restoring device-level configuration from a previous archive. Second, we also have object-level restoration. In object-level restoration, the users can select an individual application. For example, in terms of F5, we have object-level servers, pools, profiles, monitors, iRules, and classes. Now let's say if one of the specific applications is failing, users will have the ability to select that one specific application alone from a previous archive and restore it back to multiple devices simultaneously. One very obvious advantage here, of course, is that it is going to save a lot of time for users in terms of troubleshooting, and more importantly, it's not going to negate all the changes that have already been made in terms of configurations on the devices. To get started with AppViewX ADC+, visit our website www.appviewx.com.